Possible standard movement. Ready for combat.
There is a shrine ahead. It is sure to be well defended, but securing it would aid us greatly.
Yes! Fight on for the Blood Gods!
Serving ammunition. First step on the road to disappointment. It has been captured for your use.
Tactical Marines awaiting orders.
Devastator Marines ready.
Emperor dares us to excellence. Blood Ravens! On Show me deeds.
Nothing stops you. It's combat. You can't get a shot off.
Sacrifices for you, Blood Ravens! No one! No one!
Feeds on them. Kill the heretics to weaken him!
Another enemy corruption. Hand-to-hand combat. Enemy is under attack.
Open a portal!
No, I think not. A change in leadership is in order.
Elephants! You treasonous dog! No!
This time. This victory will long be remembered in the halls of glory.
A fitting death for a leader of traitors.
True, but what game is Eliphaz playing?
Bah, he is greedy and honorless scum. He saw his chance to gain power and he took it.
And the prospect of Eliphaz with more power somehow reassures you?
Commander, another transmission from Captain Diomedes of the Honor Guard. He has declared Gabriel Angelos a renegade and orders our return to Calderis. I have also uncovered additional information about Apothecary Galen and his expedition aboard the Judgment of Carrion.
This is madness. Gabriel is no traitor. We must expose the corruption among the Honor Guard. We must go to Calderis.
Blood Ravens, take heed. For the grievous sins of refusing chapter orders, spreading heresy, raising arms against his one-time brothers, and stealing relics, arms, and artifacts from the chapter. Gabriel Angelos is hereby declared an enemy of the chapter and sentenced to death. The renegade Angelos has fled, absconding with the battle barge Litany of Fury. I, Captain Apollo Diomedes, issue this declaration with full authority from Azariah Kyrus, Chapter Master of the Blood Ravens and Keeper of the Librarian. Knowledge is power. Guard it well.
The log entry which played when you activated the logic engine aboard the Judgment of Carrion was only one of many in the engine's cogitation archives. Listen to these additional entries.
The Emperor has granted us a miracle. Guarding the corpses of the brothers lost aboard this derelict, we have found a survivor. Librarian Kyrus is restored to the chapter.
And this entry, sometime later.
Bonaparte fell today, killed by another demon of the Dark Gods. All our exits have sealed, and our beacons have failed. We are trapped. Kyrus' psychic powers have saved us several times already. But how can he defend against the voices I hear in the darkness? How can any of us?
The rest of the log is protected by ancient encoding rites, and these are strikingly reminiscent of the rites masking our traitor's identity.
And this is the same Kyrus
who is now Chapter Master and Chief Librarian of the Blood Ravens.
Emperor preserve us.
What happened to Galen himself?
He serves with the Chapter Honor Guard. Commander, the Judgment of Carrion's logic engine confirms our suspicions. The encoding rights used by our traitor and in Galen's logs both bear a marked resemblance to those of the Chapter Honor Guard. With a copy of their codes, I could finally identify the traitor.